We're going to cover bulk uploading as a new user. Now, the first thing you'll want to do as a new user is ensure that you've deleted the sample data. In the right-hand corner of your dashboard, you'll be able to see a red button here that says delete sample data. And by clicking this, it will remove the sample data that's included in your free trial account. After you've done that, under your dashboard, you'll be able to see set up your account. And there's a list of items here that we can take action on. And one of them is add items. Now, there's a number of ways that you can add items to your Apply catalog. The first way is you can add them manually. And the second way is now we enable you to add bulk uploaded items. And we're going to go through that today. You'll see a button here that says bulk upload. And we're going to click that. And it's going to put you into the bulk upload module. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you've downloaded our template. And the template here looks like this, and it will give you information about the name, the item number, description, and a host of other information that you can fill out. Now, you'll receive some of this information from your supplier, or if you're downloading it from a FSM, you'll be able to configure it to this template by copying and pasting directly into that template. Now, you can also upload any file that you want. Just keep in mind that to expedite things, using the template is your best option. The bulk upload feature allows you to upload 7,500 items in about 40 seconds. Anything above 7,500 items, you want to break up into separate files. So let's go ahead and click on Upload File. And I'm going to select our bulk upload import template that I've created here. And it's going to ask you for the sheet name. So the sheet name, if we go back over to our template, is the sheet name here. If you've received a file from your supplier, you may have many sheets here. You're going to want to indicate which sheet you want to upload first. If you're trying to upload many sheets, you'll have to repeat the process a couple times. So I'm going to select sheet 1. Click continue. And the first stage in material import is your column settings. This is essentially mapping the columns to the Apply database to ensure that we're uploading the data to the correct field. So in this case, this is the name, and we're going to upload it to the name file by matching it. You'll note here that there's a number of required fields that we ask for, so make sure that you've matched those first. And then a lot of these are not required that you can always go back and edit later. You'll be able to upload the name, the item number, the brand, manufacturer, tags, description, really anything to do with the item. If you need to change the mapping, you can select from the drop-down list. And once you've completed this and you're satisfied with those mappings, you can click Next Step. The second stage is error creation, and you're going to correct these errors in this stage by hovering over the red highlighted items here. As you can see, manufacturer does not have anything in it, so it's just showing us an error. It's not a required field, but it is something that you want to be aware of. And you'll be able to see here that in our photo URL, we do have an error. It's showing me an invalid photo URL. So if you are uploading from a file by pulling items from some other source, like an e-commerce store or something like that, you want to make sure that these files are not behind a login, but also something that is valid. If you hover over the more red error correction indicator here, you'll be able to see exactly what it's telling you for correcting this. Now, because this is not a required field, it's something that we don't have to fix during this stage, but if you wanted to, you can. I'm going to click on delete material here because I don't want this material as I'm grooming this. And if you need to add a manufacturer, for example, you can type that in. And one neat thing is you can also click on this pencil here. And if you want to add the manufacturer for, let's say, the whole sheet of items, you can do that. And it's going to add this for every single row. And we'll do the same thing for category. Here you go. And you can see here what I did was we didn't even have tool within our categories. And we not only added tool to our category list, but we added it to the entire column here. It looks like everything is correct. We can also come in here and toggle show errors or show modification so you can see what was changed as a diff. I'm going to click on next step, and on step number, let's see, we got a error here before we go forward. Now that we've corrected all of our errors, we're going to click on next. And in this stage, we are going to add material location. And you'll see that we've actually skipped step number 3, which is handling duplicates. The system will automatically generate a duplicate diff and will remove any duplicates from the file upload. Because I didn't have any, we just jumped to the next step. We're going to add our material locations here. And you can see here in the first column after name, you'll be able to select the location that you want to add to if you'd like to. This is an optional field. You do not have to add items to a location. You can simply just add it to your catalog. I'm going to click Confirm Import. And you can see we are successfully importing our file. And after about 5 seconds, all of the materials have been uploaded to our catalog. And now we can go take a look at that. You can see we've uploaded these 3 files that were in our file upload, and all of the corresponding data has been added. So everything from the name of the item, the UPC code, and all of the information about the item has been uploaded. Please let us know if you have any questions about bulk uploading as a new user.